We're trying to figure out what I go. Welcome back to Daytime Live. Today we're rolling into a fascinating conversation as we sit down we talk to one of the founders of Heaven's Jiu-Jitsu Academy, Stephen Heaven, to uncover why Jiu-Jitsu is considered as more than just a martial art, but a discipline, a mindset, and for many, a powerful tool for real-world self-defense. Welcome to the show.
Hello, hello. I don't know what was happening. We're going to do the demonstration.
We'll explain everything, don't worry.
In close to it.
He's tall. So, Mr. Heaven,
yes,
I do karate. Yep. I'm a white belt, don't pay me no mind. Okay. How does Jiu-Jitsu...
Yeah, black belt.
How does Jiu-Jitsu differ from other types of martial arts? What is it in the simplest?
Right, so it differs greatly from karate. It's an ancient martial art that originated in Japan and it was refined in Brazil. It focuses on technique and leverage instead of strength and size, which makes it perfect for self-defense because it's applicable across all different types of body types, right? So it's one thing for somebody my size to be able to control somebody. It's another thing for somebody Andreen's size to be able to do it. So this sport is focused on using techniques and leverage and smarts to defeat larger, stronger opponents.
I can understand that. No, I understand
it's also the fastest growing sport in the world.
Fastest growing sport?
Yep, absolutely. I think you guys are familiar with the UFC, Ultimate Fighting.
Yeah.
Right, so that's the highest level of fighting, right? It encompasses all the mixed martial arts sports. When it first started, Jiu-Jitsu won 3 of the first Grand Prix style tournaments. It was proven to be the most effective combat sport and form of self-defense.
So you're telling me just a one big stone naga. Anyway, but Jiu-Jitsu is also known as the gentle art.
Yes, that's the literal translation.
Jiu-Jitsu means
the gentle art, yes.
Why? What's gentle about it?
Well,
like what in the movies we go,
as I said, it's more about technique, and precision and less strength. And the reason why is because the guy who refined it, he's known as the godfather of Jiu-Jitsu. His name is Helio Gracie. He's a very small man, very sickly, had all kinds of diseases. His family wouldn't let him play any sports because he wasn't strong enough to do any of them. So he took this Japanese Jiu-Jitsu that the samurais used to use to protect their kingdoms, and he tweaked it. And he spent years and years and years formulating a martial art that doesn't require strength. And he was able to use these techniques to defeat people from all over the world, being like a very small, sickly man.
This is like a character in Baki Hanma. You watch it? Baki? Is that nice?
I think I've heard of that.
Baki Hanma. You should watch it.
No.
It's like...
So from what I know of Jiu-Jitsu, because I see a lot of floor work with that. For karate, I do a lot of standing and punching and kicking. Right. We're not doing.
That means if you reach a girl and hit that, you're lose.
You don't. Right. But this is different.
That's an important point, right? So about 90% of fights end up on the floor.
That's when you lose.
No, not at all. Just in general, even if you're out in the street and fights develop.
Yeah, for real.
They just always drop on the floor, right? Mm-hmm. So I can dictate a fight and make sure that it goes to the floor right away, and then you're lost. All those strikes that you know how to do, kickboxing, karate, all of that is out the door. It's out the door. So.
Right. This is just gravel.
Right.
That's
so
gravel.
Another thing is, if you and I were to engage in a karate fight, right? You would need to be able to generate enough force to incapacitate me, which is very, very difficult.
You don't know that, you don't know Mr.
Well, this is true.
Well, you happen.
He could be a low-key ninja, I don't know.
Because Mr.
That's on average.
You want challenge, come as a Dejan, like you want challenge Dejan. We want to see a practical demonstration. Yeah. So you have two of your students,
yes,
right?
What's your name? This is
Lanier. And? Angie? I don't trust you, not Angie. But see hand me in the bucket. But you have a demonstration to show us.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like you have different moves?
Yes.
Yeah, so if Andreen needed to incapacitate somebody that's larger, right? It's very hard for her to knock that.
Let me give you a scenario. Like he might try to drape her up.
Right.
All right, try drape Andreen.
The drape up is one thing, actually.
Come right in.
Come in the middle right here.
Yeah.
So the drape up is one thing. Actually, I'll actually do that. I'll demonstrate the defense for that to make it more easier. If he grabs my shirt.
You don't look like an Angie.
No, but I'll
turn this
way.
Right.
So if he grabs my shirt, right?
Right.
So grab like this.
Grab him.
Right.
Grab him, man.
Grab him.
Okay,
What he's now done is he's now isolated his arm for me to break it however way that I choose. So I can go by the elbow there, so your arm doesn't bend certain ways.
Right.
So what I would do...
The joint bends this way.
Right, so I would grab the wrist, grab behind the elbow, and just sink my chest on top of his wrist. And what that does is it...
No, do it, no broke it.
Right, so these simple things, as opposed to if he grabs me trying to pull and jerk him off, push him off like that.
Right.
I need to affect the control point.
So is jiu-jitsu something that you use you want to close the distance between as quickly as possible?
Absolutely, yes.
And so if there's someone...
So when you close that distance, it makes it easier to take down the person?
Absolutely. When there's space, there's more variables that can happen. If I am close to you and I have complete control of your body, I know what you can do and what I can do to you.
All right, so suppose I drape with one hand and I have a knife or a weapon in the other hand. I'm say a big stone.
Right, so weapons change things, right?
Right.
Weapons definitely change things, and what you would need to do is be able to isolate the weapon.
Right.
Right, so that's a completely different thing, but somebody like Andreen would...
Yeah, let me show what happened to Andreen. Once we have a female defender.
Suppose person is able to put her to the ground, like she's on
him
the
push her down now.
Him push her down and have
him surprise her and then push down Andreen.
How does she get out of that?
He pushes her down and climbs on top of her and tries to strangle her.
Go ahead, Andreen, act it out.
Go ahead, act it out.
Him push her down, drop,
watch her push down.
Watch her push down.
Oh my God, I fell.
And he's...
what is now? Okay, so what should we do now?
So hold on.
What is... So stop right here, pause here.
When she's flat...
What's next?
Sorry, when she's flat on her back like that, she's very unathletic. Her legs are weak and her arms are weak, so she needs to get to her hip. Right? She
get to her hip in terms of
get to the side. So she's going to bump him to try and get to her hip here.
Okay.
Oh, she wants to turn to the side.
From there, she has her elbows in and she's able to trap one of his legs. So she traps the legs in between hers.
If you see over here, like right here, so she has gotten his leg over his leg.
Right.
This look like
No, man.
And then she's going to turn, try and get to her other hip.
And come out.
Right, and then she's going to put him in what's called guard. And while this looks a bit funny... No, listen, wait, let me explain.
Okay.
So in reality,
this is to your point about pulling him closer,
right?
To get more control over him. This is why she puts him in the guard.
So in this demonstration, she's actually in control now.
Yes, because she's able to use her legs to control his posture.
So she can push him.
So what is he doing in the moment? Because he wouldn't just stand there to allow her to pull him down and stuff like that.
Most people don't think that this is a disadvantageous position if they're
on top, right?
Yes, so he's going to think he's fine.
Right.
But what she has now done is pulled him closer to him.
And biting.
With control. No biting.
Don't bite.
Biting is a pain tolerance thing.
Is that
right?
pain
so
tolerance?
Some people can tolerate a lot of pain.
Quick.
Right? So that's not really... You want something that works against everyone.
Oh.
Right? And I'll demonstrate why.
So when she pulls him in, then what?
So when she pulls him in closer, she's going to want to get him off of her, right? So she's going to try and sweep him off. So she's going to control the back of his head.
Right, hold him head, right.
The back of his arm.
Back, right.
She's going to open her legs to get her knees in.
Right.
Left leg down towards the floor, and this is called a scissor sweep.
Right.
So go ahead, chop.
Oh, wow. Okay.
All right? And this is where, she's 100 and nothing pounds. Lanier is almost 200 pounds.
Size doesn't matter in an equation like this. So it could be Andreen and you, she could still take you out.
Yes. However, if someone knows how to defend it, then it becomes more complicated.
But the general person won't know how.
Absolutely. They'll have no idea what's going on here.
And when she gets on top now, me not tell you.
Right, and what she's able to do is, she wouldn't punch, right? Because she can't cause enough damage. But what everyone has carotid arteries right here.
Yeah.
And if you block these arteries for 6 to 8 seconds, you go unconscious. Everybody in the world. It's not like you trying to squeeze my neck and how much pain I can withstand in comparison to you. Everybody goes unconscious. So this is why this works, if she does it or if I do it.
Quickly, because we don't have much time. if persons want to learn more or come to your classes, where can I get that information?
We're online. We have a website, heavenjiujutsu.com,
Right.
Heave Jiu-Jitsu Academy on Instagram or TikTok. Come in. Everyone can try a free class.
And you have classes right through the
Yep, 6 days a week, Monday to Saturday. The schedule is online, but everyone can come in and try a class.
And how the costing?
It's for free. I let everyone come in and try.
I'll try one class. After that, then.
After that, we have a monthly membership, or you can pay per class, but the memberships include Jiu-Jitsu, MMA, kickboxing, Pilates, boot camp, fitness,
what's a monthly membership
self-defense.
cost?
It's $18,000 a month for all those programs.
But as a good work, so instead of going to the gym, you can just come.
Absolutely.
18 grand, personal trainer.
I want you to see Andreen choke somebody.
No, we're not choking no more. We're going to take a break because we don't know if we'll come back, he's going to be here. Yes, of course. Thank you so much.
We can do it. Go into it still.
Stephen Heaven of Heaven
As we go.
Academy. And we thank you for breaking down not just the techniques, but the real philosophy behind the art. We're so forward. Hopefully, him make it. I don't know him going to make that one there.
I don't want to witness
He won't
this.
make
Let's
it.
leave him to it.
We're so,